Hello, everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome to the XR Startup Showcase at the XR Innovation Week. It's been amazing so far. We have had some amazing startups doing great stuff with XR in Africa and also across the world. And we have Fardi here, and he'll be sharing what he's doing currently with XR. And also Jennifer will give an overview of who Fardi is. So Jennifer.
Thank you so much, Arome. I am delighted to introduce you all to Fardi Mohamed. Fardi is working with a group, SYS Group. He'll tell us more about that. They use the latest visual communication tools to accelerate digital transformation and open up new opportunities for growth. His goal is to support industries that have been affected by the pandemic and provide them with solutions that will strengthen their digital marketing efforts and also improve the shopping experience while attracting a new generation of customers. I can't wait to see what you have to share with us and learn more about what we can do to support you. So with that, Fardi, please take it away.
Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Arome. It's a pleasure to be here today. So thank you for the XR Innovation team as well for inviting me. I'm glad to share all my experience and expertise with you and show you some examples for what we do right now. Before that, I would like to explain to you a little bit about me, about my history and where I come from. I'm from France, and I've been a videographer in France for about 15 years. I've been creating a promotion video for businesses at that time, so traditional videos. And then about 15 years ago, I moved to London, UK, and I work in sales and marketing, which is a bit different, but we're going to get back into it after. But yeah, I work in sales marketing for the group Virgin. And about 6 years ago, I decided to combine both of my expertise in video production for businesses and marketing and create a company called SYS Group, where we specialize in visual marketing. So really helping business use visual content for their marketing strategies. And so I work with a lot of big company, and I started with the startups and then scale-ups, and then I started working with companies like Microsoft, WeWorks, and really helping them use visual such as video, 3D animations as a way to do their marketing better and interact with the customers in a better way and communicate better, basically. And about 3.5 years ago, I started to discover VR and 360-degree videos. And I literally fall in love with that medium. One of the reasons why is because most of my clients were happy with my work. They always were asking me, can you do something better than the video, or better, something really amazing? But I was saying them the video is 2D, and anyway, I can't do anything better. And I come across 360-degree video, and I realized actually now there's another level for marketing and communication that we can use those technology to really transport people into the client's brand, and it's a perfect tool for marketing. So I decided to work and develop a lot of solutions around that. So especially focusing on virtual reality and 360-degree video productions to help companies boost their marketing strategy with this immersive technology and develop new opportunities with it. Okay, I hope you follow me. Now today, I'm going to show you who is SYS Group and what we do with that immersive technology and visual marketing communication strategy. So I'm going to share my screen and go through everything we do. Okay, so I'm doing this now. I think you're going to be able to see my screen soon. Okay, Jennifer, can you confirm you can see my screen?
Not just yet. I believe we're waiting on Arome to make your screen live. So just give us one moment. Looks like he may be having a bit of a technical difficulty. So we'll check on there. Apologies.
Sorry, guys.
No worries.
It's coming, it's coming.
Arome, can you work your magic button?
But just the time we're getting things ready, I would like to tell you that we're going to see the presentation on an immersive website, which is one of the solutions we offer to our clients. And we believe it's a new generation of way to navigate the webs than the traditional website where you can have to scroll up and down. We try to use web XR and web VR technology to really change the way we navigate to the web with the Immersive website. So this is what you're going to see. My presentation will be on there. And if you want to access it yourself and have a look at it, you can simply go to sysgroups.com and right now, and you can click and you can follow my presentation live using your own computer if you like. And here we go. Perfect. I believe you can see my screen. Hello?
Yes, we can.
Okay, fantastic. Great. Can you hear me well as well?
Perfect.
Good. So, all right. So this is the SYS Group website. So as you can see, it's an Immersive website, and this is where I'm going to show you exactly everything we do over there. So the thing that you need to understand, first of all, you know, this is what we believe, that immersive technology works and in marketing, because we are all human beings. We are visual beings. We think in picture. That's the way we actually process information into the brain. So visual is a really important way to communicate, and a really important way to communicate. So what we try to redefine the customer's experience with immersive technology, because we believe the immersive technology is the best visualization tool of today. So when we talk about virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, they are visual tools, and they are extremely powerful tools for communication. Why we think that it's the time now, it's for 3 different points. Number one is the customers is ready. All the new generation of customers are visual customers, we can say. They use social media platforms, web and internet a lot, and all these platforms rely on visual contents. And this is the best way they believe that they can discover a brand. It's just using a video or a sort of visual tool. So the customer is ready for immersive technology in our points. Then the technology itself is ready. It's now affordable. So, for any businesses who want to buy a VR headset, it will cost them maybe $300, which maybe 3 years ago was about $1,000. So it's really accessible in terms of 360-degree videos as well. Cameras are becoming smaller, and everyone can buy his own 360-degree camera for about $150. Also in terms of the web, we start implementing Web XR and all the web browsers. So the technology is ready for immersive technology, and especially for marketing purpose. And the market is being focused to have a potential to add 1.5 trillion to the global economy by 2030. So that just means that everyone's looking at the technology and believe that it will have such a great impact. So that's the reason why we think it's time now. So in terms of our solutions, so we are offering solutions in different industries, and I'm going to go through it and after show you some examples. So we work with the luxury industry with experience, where we get the luxury buyers to experience luxury goods, luxury retail, luxury travel using 360-degree video storytelling. So essentially, we produce 360-degree video storytelling for the luxury industry to help them reach a new generation of high net worth individuals, which are usually online. On the right, we have Explore, which is a solution dedicated for the real estate industry, where we actually create virtual reality showroom of apartments that doesn't exist or exists, and also 360-degree videos showroom as well in that sense. So but the VR application on there is great, and you're going to see some example later on. We work as well in the event industry, is suffering a lot today in terms of with the COVID, etc. And we actually, with our camera, can create 360-degree video live streaming of real events to allow people to experience live events from the comfort of their home. But we also have built a 360, like a VR immersive, like a hybrid event platform where people can meet each other's in a hybrid environment, but which is all in VR and have events over there. Okay. On the right, we also produce any sort of visualize production of traditional content, video productions, 2D animation, 3D photography, like really traditional content. We're still doing this today. Then discover is, like you can see right now, is the new way to discover the web. So with immersive websites. And we also start to build some sort of academy where we try to develop the new talent of tomorrow. So we actually train videographer, video editors, VR developers in our solutions. Okay, and who want to develop new skills over there. And this is the sort of clients we are working with. We're working with Microsoft, WeWork, the Monaco Yacht Show, Leonardo. I mean, you can see different clients. But we also work with retailers and medium-sized businesses as well to help them with their communications. And that's it. Yeah. Don't tell me, show me. This is what we believe in. We are here to help business and organizations to deliver customers' experience that truly resonate with the new generation of consumer, which are a visual consumer. So I'm going to show you some example of project that we have done, so you can see really in real time what we are able to deliver to our clients. So I will start with SYS Luxury, which is a 360-degree video production for the luxury industry. So we have a team who worked already with this sort of clients here. And we do a storytelling video for different business and industry, so but mainly in luxury. So as you can see here, it's a project we've done for the Monaco Yacht Show. The Monaco Yacht Show, it's an event that happens every year in Monaco where a lot of super yacht owners and buyers meet together. It's the second most popular event in Monaco, and it's a really luxury event. We've developed like a 360-degree video storytelling of how it is like to be a premium VIP clients of the events. So you actually arriving to the events on the helicopter, and then you arrive to the show, and you can visit the show without having the needs to be there. You can actually travel around the show. So it's a 360-degree video that is used on YouTube. So anyone can see it, anyone can look around it, and it's a perfect marketing tool for them because they try to sell their tickets outside the show and to get some new partners and sponsors. And traditionally, they use a brochure, for example, to show the show, but with these immersive videos, which you can play on YouTube or using a VR headset, you can really get a feel of how it's like to be at the Monaco Yacht Show. And you actually help them a lot in their marketing efforts throughout the year. Okay, so it's just to give you an example of storytelling video project. But I will let you browse some of these use case yourself, because there is many you can see here, and you will see some different way to do it. But it's a perfect tool, 360-degree video, to help the luxury industry in marketing. So now I'm going to show you what we do for the event industry. Okay, so here we go. So for the event industry, we have created a new platform, which is a live hybrid event platform. So it's to help people to an organizer of events to provide really high-end virtual hybrid events. So, for example, as you can see, you can create your own avatar, and then you can navigate inside the virtual event. Just give me a second. Excuse me. Okay, so it's literally a hybrid event platform, so where people can meet, do some networking, assist a trade show, have workshops, and you can access it using your VR headsets, or you can use your PC or laptop, and you allow the event providers to organize the event in real time, but also virtually with that application. So that's some sort of things that we're offering for the event industry. Excusez-moi for all this mess, but it's okay now. So we also are working in the real estate industry. For the real estate industry, we're working at every stage of the builds and constructions of a real estate, an apartment or a house. So at the concept stage, we create 3D animation to help architects visualize the estate or the real estate they are building. So I have a 3D team. But what is interesting is the virtual showroom solution that we're offering. So basically, we use immersive technology to help people visualize apartments, working through the apartments before they're built. So we convert blueprints into a virtual reality showroom where the person can navigate inside the apartment and flat before it's built and can make actually a buying decision to purchase and to buy the apartment without having to look at a 3D animation brochure, etc., and get a real feel of the depth and the height of the space and really make a buying decision right away. So it's a really powerful tool for the real estate industry right now for off-sale property. And then once the property is built at the completion stage, we also produce a normal 360-degree video production tour of the place. For example, here you can see work. I use it to show around the new business space. This is an office space in Monaco, showing around the space. This is another office space. So it's a fantastic tool for the real estate industry to be able to bring their clients to the real estate that they want to sell or rent without having to get them to travel there. Okay? Perfect. Just understand that for everyone knows that, but YouTube, Facebook, and Vimeo can play 360-degree videos. So for the business we're working with, it's really easy to implement, easy to integrate. They don't have to change many things. They just add these videos to their marketing tools, and that's it. So they do things as usual. So that's why right now technology is ready to be used by any companies around the world, and it's affordable and it's ready. So I think there's a great opportunity with immersive technology for marketing today. All right, and then you got the immersive websites that we are offering for some clients. So I'm going to give you an example with Fitness First here. You can see this in the screen, I believe. Perfect. So it's actually immersive website of one of the gym in London, where people can have information right away from over one page, opening hours. They can actually look at a 360-degree video of the gym, as you can see. You can visit the gym, have a look around the gym and see all the spaces, which is really useful. And they can also access the traditional website, 2D website version as well, through pop-up here. So it was a really good tool for them to get their clients to have more information about the gym and maybe join the gym directly. Okay, so I think I went through everything. So this is SYS Visual, so that's our traditional video production company, which is still 2D content are really, really important for marketing today. Many people still not using it. Sorry. But I would say it's a great potential right now that will always be there, but immersive technology, obviously, it's the future of, I think, marketing for me, and the best way to communicate information and to educate people right now around the world. So that's why we're doing this. So yeah, that's it in terms of what we do. If you have any questions, obviously you can email me anytime, but yeah, I think, can you hear me? I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Hopla.
Yes, I can hear you.
I've been talking a lot really quickly. I hope everyone understood. And I had a bit of technical problem, but that's fine. Everything is okay. But what you need to remember is people think in picture, you know, and visual is going to be more and more important as the technology evolves. Technology will rely on visual content, so that's really the future. And immersive technology is there to stay, and we just need to make the right use of it. For certain industry, it will work. For some, it's not going to work, but we just need to find that right niche where we can explore and use that technology. But it's definitely the future, I think.
Absolutely. And Fardi, so very impressive. The portfolio is incredibly impressive, and it really demonstrates a broad range of services that are available for the market. So I really appreciate that. I want to, in particular, call out a piece that I found very interesting. I think it was the Monaco Yacht Club example that you showed us, where you're actually kind of embodying a human experience. I think we need to do more of that in this space. We're very focused on giving people the ability to see and touch things, but not necessarily thinking as much about their perspective. So I really appreciated that kind of guided tour, as if I am actually that person and you're taking me through an experience. Very, very interesting. I think there's a lot of application that could come from that piece of work. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Arome, comments from you?
So first off, your website is amazing, right? It's breathtaking, right? The first day I saw it, I was like, wow, you guys did great. So thank you so much for sharing. And also, you have a question, I think?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
From Ken. What development framework or kit is used in creating immersive websites?
Immersive web is very funny, but we use a web VR technology. This is, I think a few years ago, Google and other web browsers, like Mozilla, implemented the web VR technology, which uses JavaScript and Airframe to help their developers work on 3D elements on web, directly on web. And what we do is use the same technology to create 360 website instead of it. Okay, it's a little bit like a virtual tour. You see those platforms where you can do like virtual tour, where you can click and go to a place to another. We use the same technology basically to create a virtual website and immersive website. So that's the answer.
Great. Thank you so much. So Fardi, really quickly, so where are you all in your journey? Throughout the expansion and creation of your company, and what do you have to give to the XR community, and what do you want to ask us for in return?
What we say in my journey, I've done a lot of research on how to use immersive technology for business, for marketing purpose. And what I realized is I had to convince and educate a lot of companies at the beginning, and still now. But we have been given a great opportunity, I would say, with the COVID, where actually now people have to change. They have to change the way they do things. They communicate the market. Everyone, the consumer has changed a lot. So they're really open now today to immersive technology. It's really the time for us to strive because they will listen to us, and we don't need to educate them now because they're actually educating themselves now because they're looking for solutions. So right now is the golden age, I would say, of the immersive technology will start, and you should not be afraid to go for it. Right now, in my stage, I've set up a new company called SYS MONACO, where we're offering the same sort of things in Monaco, focusing more on the luxury industries. And we've seen so far that people are really, really interested in it. Now, they really want to try it. They want to discover it. When we talk VR showroom, they say, yes, let's try. 360-degree video production, let's try. So I would say whoever does immersive technology today, go and try to get it presented to clients, show it to everyone as you can. Don't try to keep it for yourself and wait. Just go for it, show it, and you will see that you're gonna make a business of it, because I think the right conditions are there, and it's the future essentially. And now also the big boys are investing a lot. Apple investing in VR, and if you know how the impact of Apple, as soon as it's gonna launch their first headset, is going to be everywhere, VR, in the world of everyone. So you better be prepared today to take that market, because that market is coming no matter what.
Thank you.
Sure. Are you guys limited to working, should I say, in Europe? Are you open to projects out of Europe?
Project everywhere. We've done project in Seychelles, in USA, in Asia. We're open to go everywhere. People want to try and discover VR and immersive technology for marketing. Yeah. So, and we actually try to build local team as well. So everywhere we have a project, we will try to hire some videographer who really want to try new things and get them into our team so they can actually learn. And then when we have the next project there, we don't need to bring the whole team. We can actually rely on local community to do that. So as we travel, we try to train and form new talents wherever we are.
That's good. That's very good. Well done.
Fantastic. Well, I think our time is probably up for now, but there's so much to dive into on the website. For those of you that haven't been there yet, go check it out. There's some amazing inspiration for you all there.
Yes.
I think, that you'll find with regards to the ways in which you can use XR in the space. And Fardi is available, I'm sure, for any questions that you all may have following the show. So thanks, Fardi. We appreciate it. It's been an amazing adventure in XR with you today, and we can't wait to see what you do next.
Yeah, thank you for having me, and I hope to be there in the next one. And well done to Arome as well for organizing that. I'm really proud of you. So keep going, and hope to see you again. And Jennifer, thank you for hosting this really well. So I'm really glad to be part of the event today. And to everyone, just go for it. That's it.
Yeah,
I love it.
Just go for it. Don't think twice.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Fardi.
And it's a wrap, everybody. Wow, we did it, right? Thank you all so much for joining us. It's been a wonderful 3 days of amazing information, wonderful content, wonderful speakers, startups doing great stuff with XR in Africa and also across the world. And also I want to thank the amazing co-host, Jennifer Rogers, and also Emilios, who is quite engaged. And yeah, Jennifer?
Yeah, I was just going to say, Arome, you're so very humble, but, I think from all of us on the team, just want to say you have been amazing. It's amazing what we've been able to put together and how fast it's come together, all because of your vision and your dream and the ways in which the team has worked to help make this happen. So it's just been a real privilege and an honor. I'm so impressed with all of the talent that we've seen. And I'm gonna miss my co-host. What am I gonna do tomorrow? I don't know. We'll have to get together again soon. We'll have a reunion.
Yeah, sure. We're supposed to have a close-up section by 7, some minutes from now. So we'll jump back for that final call. Sure. And the entire team is going to jump in. Everybody's going to give their thoughts, share feedbacks, and we'll wrap up the XR Innovation Week. Sounds great. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay. See you soon. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye.